So I got this new toolbox here, and I want to black out the handles just like the bottom box, or close to the bottom box, so they're not all shiny, but I still want to use my labels, so I've got an idea. So I got a can of black spray bomb, and I've got our labels all out here. This can of spray paint hopefully works and doesn't just spit big chunks everywhere. And we're just going to paint our labels from white to black. Uh-oh. Got a runner. All right, so I got the labels in there and I got the clear protectors on them. I didn't do this one, so I wanted to kind of give you an idea of the difference in the look if you leave them white and then I painted them black. I think they match the bottom box really well. There's a little bit of chrome on there, but I don't think it looks bad. I think it actually looks pretty cool. So that's a good option to black out the drawers on Series 2 US General boxes. If you had a yellow or a green or a red box or whatever the other colors are, you could also paint these those colors to match. I think that would be pretty cool. It's a pretty cool idea too. I didn't label these. I don't kind of like the idea of writing words and stuff on there. If I did, I would probably use a paint pen of some kind, of some color, and write them on there. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a sticker pack of little tiny stickers that'll fit in here, and I'll just label my drawers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll do the bottom box the same way. I'll either go, you know, from here down and then continue my numbers, or I'll start over again at 1 and do the bottom, because I know where all the things are in my toolbox, and the only thing I ever have is somebody's like, you know, I'll go grab a wrench or a screwdriver or a pry bar or whatever, and then they're always asking me, well, what drawer is it in? I know what drawer it's in, but how do you explain what drawer it's in? I don't really want a bunch of gaudy words on there because I've got like 100 things in one drawer, and you can't possibly write down everything that's in that drawer. But if you just have a number on it, you can say drawer 4 top box or drawer 2 bottom box, and they can just go straight to that drawer. Plus, if I'm underneath the car and I forget what number drawer it is, I can always just glance over and go, oh, it's number 6, drawer 6, or whatever. So anyway, let me know if you guys like this idea. You think this is cool? Are you going to do this to your box? Do you think that works to make a Series 2 box sit on a Series 3? Anyway, till next time, keep on wrenching. Peace.